Hi guys, welcome to Insight Club. In this video, we are discussing questions of business studies. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp so that we will provide all the answers on accordingly. Here the question number one, question number two, and question number three. You need to write in the 40 to 60 words. Question number four and question number five. You need to write into 100 to 150 words. And question number six, you need to write in the 500 words. This is a project based answer. If you want these answers, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. You can see the chapter names of all the written in front of the questions. So if you want these answers, because we have prepared not for this only, we have prepared other subject also. If you want these answers, you can contact anytime. And if you have other queries, you can contact also. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.